Is your garden starting to look bare as autumn sets in? Don't worry, fall flowering bulbs are the perfect way to keep your color lasting well into the autumn. In today's video, we'll explore some of the best fall flowering bulbs and show you how to create a stunning display that thrives even as temperatures drop. Let's dive in. Fall flowering bulbs are a fantastic way to add color into the cooler months. Unlike other fall planting bulbs, which bloom in spring, these autumn bulbs provide cheerful blooms when many other plants are slowing down. Planting them in the fall will help them establish strong roots before their autumn bloom. And the best part is that many of these bulbs attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, so you're supporting local wildlife while adding beauty to your garden. Some of the most popular fall flowering bulbs are easy to grow, low maintenance, and perfect for established gardeners or beginners. So let's look at some of the best fall flowering bulbs that we recommend for you to try this year. These bulbs produce large, water lily-like blooms in shades of soft pink. They often appear suddenly in autumn, raising above the soil on leafless stems, which gives a dramatic effect. Colchicum Waterlily prefers full sun to part shade and well-drained soil. Its unique bloom structure adds elegance to mixed borders or under trees where summer plants have faded. Crocus Zonatus is known for its bold, striped petals, usually in shades of purple and white. These crocuses are perfect for naturalizing in grasses or planting in rock gardens. They are early bloomers for fall, attracting pollinators and adding unexpected color when most other plants are slowing down. Love seeing autumn color in your garden? Leave a comment and hit subscribe while we explore more fall flowering color. Crocus Cartwrightianus produces delicate pale lilac to deep purple flowers that stand out in autumn beds. It thrives in well-drained soil and tolerates partial shade. Cartwrightianus is compact, making it ideal for borders, containers, or mixed perennial plantings. Its small size and striking color make it a versatile choice for adding subtle yet noticeable color in the fall. Saffron Crocus is not only a beautiful addition with bright purple flowers, but it also produces saffron stigmas, a spice known for its incredible value and rarity. This prized spice is used in dishes like pella, risotto, and Middle Eastern stews, making it a favorite for both gardeners and cooks. It grows best in full sun and well-drained soil, and it's important to avoid overwatering since these bulbs prefer drier conditions. These bulbs naturalize well over time, creating larger patches of color in subsequent years, while also increasing your saffron harvest each fall. The flowers open in mid-fall, providing a vivid contrast to late-season foliage. Harvest the red stigmas in the morning while the flowers are still fresh, then dry them to enjoy their unique flavor in your cooking. As the name suggests, the giant produces impressively large blooms in shades of pink and lilac. It's perfect for gardeners looking to make a statement. Each flower can reach up to 6 inches across, and multiple blooms can appear on a single plant. The giant prefers full sun or light shade and well-drained soil. Its dramatic size makes it ideal for feature beds, borders, or even containers. Crocus Ochroleucus offers creamy white flowers with a subtle yellow center. Its soft color palette provides a lovely contrast to border fall perennials like asters and chrysanthemums. Ochroleucus grows well in rock gardens, borders, or mixed with late-season annuals. It's compact, hardy, and perfect for planting in groups for maximum visual impact. Colchicum Album produces pure white blooms on leafless stems. These elegant flowers bring a clean, sophisticated look, especially in shady corners or mixed borders. Album thrives in full sun to part shade in well-drained soil. Its simple, graceful blooms make it a perfect companion for other fall colors, highlighting brighter or bolder perennials in your garden. Ready to add these stunning fall bulbs to your garden? Check out our full selection and everything you need in the link below. To get the most out of your fall bulbs, it's important to tailor your planting for each bulb type. All bulbs need well-drained soil. They don't do well in soggy conditions, but Crocus and Colchicum have their own preferences. For Crocus, aim to plant the bulb about 3 inches deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. They thrive in full sun and prefer sandy or loomy soil that drains quickly. Because Crocus bulbs are small, it's best to plant them in groups or drifts for best visual impact. For Saffron Crocus specifically, spacing is key. Overcrowding can reduce both bloom size and the amount of saffron you'll harvest. Colchicum, sometimes called autumn crocus, needs a little bit extra depth. Plant these bulbs 4 to 6 inches deep and at least 6 inches apart, since their flowers and foliage are larger. Colchicums are very tolerant and will grow in full sun to part shade, making them versatile for beds, borders, and even naturalizing in lawns or beneath deciduous trees. After planting both types, give the bulbs a thorough watering. Even if fall is rainy, that first deep drink helps the roots settle in. A light layer of mulch is also recommended. It keeps the soil evenly moist, protects against sudden temperature swings, and helps prevent weeds. To really make your fall garden pop, try mixing these bulbs together. Plant autumn crocus and colchicum in clusters under trees for a natural layered look. Add saffron crocus to borders for pops of purple, and layer different heights and colors to keep your garden visually interesting all season long. We're about mid-September right now, so now's the perfect time to plant your fall flowering bulbs so that you get the most visual impact before winter arrives. If you're looking for a wide selection of fall bulbs, come visit us here at Wildwood Outdoor Living, where we have a huge selection of fall flowering bulbs. If you can't make it to the store, you can also order them online at wildwood.express. So which fall bulb is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment on our video, and follow us for more gardening content.